The European Union is one of the most ambitious projects in modern history. 27 countries, hundreds of millions of people, open borders, free trade, and for many Europeans, one shared currency, the euro. But if the euro is supposed to unite Europe, why don't all European Union countries use it? Why do countries like Sweden, Poland, Hungary, Czechia, and Romania still use their own money? If one currency makes trade easier, why would anyone stay out? The answer reveals one of the biggest trade-offs in modern economics: the dream of one currency. When Europe introduced the euro in 1999, the idea sounded simple. Before the euro, traveling across Europe meant constantly exchanging currencies: French francs, German marks, Italian lira, Spanish pesetas. Every exchange cost money. Businesses faced uncertainty whenever exchange rates moved. The euro promised to solve all of that. One currency, one market, one economic zone. A company in Germany could trade with a company in Spain without worrying about currency fluctuations. Tourists could travel across multiple countries carrying the same money. Trade became easier, investment became easier, Europe became more connected than ever before, but there was a hidden cost. What countries give up? When a country adopts the euro, it gives up control of its own currency. That may not sound important until the economy starts having problems. Normally, countries can influence their economies through their central banks. If growth slows down, they can lower interest rates. If inflation rises too fast, they can raise them. They can even allow their currency to weaken, making exports cheaper and helping domestic industries. But countries using the euro no longer make those decisions alone. Instead, monetary policy is largely set by the European Central Bank. And the ECB isn't managing one economy, it's managing many economies at the same time. The challenge is obvious. What helps one country may hurt another. Germany's economy may need one thing. Italy may need something completely different. Yet both use the same currency. Why some countries stay out? This is why several European Union countries remain cautious. Take Sweden. Sweden could eventually adopt the euro, but many Swedes prefer keeping control of their own currency, the Swedish krona. If Sweden faces a unique economic challenge, its government and central bank can respond directly. They don't have to wait for a Europe-wide solution. Then there's Denmark. Denmark negotiated a special agreement allowing it to permanently stay outside the Eurozone. The country remains deeply connected to the European economy while keeping its own currency.